Hello my lovely students, welcome to the channel. So students, today I shall be providing you the answer of chapter number 22, Growth and Personality Development from 5th standard EVS part 1. So students, first we will solve the questions in between the lesson. Do the clothes and shoes you wore as a baby fit you now? Answer: no, it will not fit because growth in body take place. There will be change in size. Next, can you tell? First one, can an infant feed itself? Answer: the infant can't feed itself because infant are the small ones. Their body parts and motor skills are not well developed to feed themselves. Next, can a 2-year-old child fold clothes neatly? Answer: no, because they do not have things holding capacity. Next, when do they learn to do these tasks? Answer: at the age of 6 to 7 years. Next, which of the following things have you learned to do? Which one have you yet to learn? Answer: I have learned following things. For example, writing an essay, combing our own hair, making tea, learning song, poem, telling a story, cycling, giving a speech, counting money, tidying our house. Things which I have to yet learn are escaping on a rope, swimming, computer, playing field games, climbing a tree, etc. Next is Sayali is in the 6th standard. They are going on a picnic. Sayali's eye is going to make a laddus for the whole class, but she needs Sayali's help. What can Sayali's do to help? Answer: Sayali can bring ingredients of laddus from the shop. She can help her mother whatever she asks her to do. She can give round shape to the laddus. Okay, next we are going to solve the questions from exercise. First one, what is the solution? Kabir wants to be a professor of zoology. What can he do today to prepare for that? Answer: if Kabir wants to become a professor of zoology, he should create lot of interest in science subject. He should watch and observe animals and birds. He should note down about their habits and habitats, etc. He can also collect their photos and inform. Next question number 2, use your brain power. First one, what skills do we already have before we learn to ride a bicycle? Answer: we should have enough strength in legs to paddle the bicycle. For balancing the cycle, the entire body should be strong and fit. We should be able to turn the handle of the bicycle whenever we are riding it. We should have complete control over legs, hands, necks and eyes in an appropriate skill required to ride a bicycle. Next B, Suman wishes to run a restaurant of her own in the future. Which of the skills she is learning today will be used in her future occupations? Answer: Suman will need many people to run a restaurant. Second, she should have the ability to interact and work together with the staff. She should have information about different recipes, market rates of different foodstuffs. Next, she should require skill of buying groceries and other provisions, cooking different dishes of food, etc. Okay, students, next question. Question number 3, answer the following questions. First one, what is mean by heredity? Page number 118 पे आपको मिलेगा being born with certain features or traits in common with the member of our family is heredity. Question 3 B, what differences do we see between children in pre-primary classes and children in standard 5? Answer: the age of pre-primary, that is LKG and UKG school children, is between 4 to 6 years, while the age of children of standard 5 is 10 to 11 years. The abilities and skill of pre-primary children are not so much developed as 5th standard children. Pre-primary children are not physically so strong as 5th standard children. Children of 5th standard can do many things on their own, like wearing clothes, bathing, brushing, etc. But children of pre-primary can not do these things. Next, name any 3 skills you have acquired. Answer: I have acquired skills like communication, negotiation and persuasion, problem solving, leadership, organization, etc. Now see the question number 3 E. What is mean by physical growth? Answer: physical growth refers to an increase in our body size, length or height and weight, and in the size of organs too. It also refers to physical strength and capacity. Okay, next question number 4, true or false? A baby gradually learns to perform newly learned tasks without making mistake. Answer: false. At birth, we already have all skills. Answer: false. See, we cannot manage all our tasks entirely by ourselves. Answer false. D. Our height increases from birth till we grow old. Answer false.